Welcome to TradeTheNBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 19th, midweek, and we're just continuing to slightly plug higher. Nothing too spectacular. We're actually facing a little bit weaker shakeout to in the pre-market here. Nothing horrible, but the fact that you've had the cyan move below red and then pop back up means that shorts are a little more aggressive as they realize that things are pretty much stagnated. We're at a peak. You get about as much resources that can be applied. The problem the shorts have is there's no interest in anyone liquidating at this particular time, and things are moving in the right direction as far as euro and stuff. That there's no need to sell. It doesn't mean we're going to go up, just because it's a little sideways with upside pressure, but that's exactly what the 90s looked like overall, and you still ended up with new highs constantly, and it became a drumbeat of just slow, methodical movement. I don't know that that means we're necessarily set there. I think what we've got is a realization of the market's condition here that things aren't going to move, and that political gridlock is going to block some of the aggressive items. So now the question is, will there be growth, and how much of it, is going to be, sustainable, as well as will it accelerate? And given the climate at this particular point, I think the belief is that it will accelerate. So that's why we're seeing these nice runs to the upside on any selling that takes place. Now, NASDAQ looking to see 155. So we're now outside the range, the targeted ideal now, and so that's going to be looked at in a new way. There's just been a strong amount of support into the euro. This is going to benefit a lot of S&P companies, and certainly makes the central bank in America very happy with that, because it's not going to also put pressure on trade. So, a lot of benefits there, and drawbacks for those that live in Europe. Spending American dollars now because I'm in America. Bonds, still an odd increase. This idea that there may be some kind of stagnation to a rate hike or something that doesn't exist. That is clear in what it's signaling, unless something changes and we get a drawback down. I mean, I know there's still modest numbers. I mean, they could flip at any time if something doesn't get going. It doesn't look like anything's going to get going, at least for the summertime. I mean, Congress looks incapable of doing a thing. Oil, right at the peak side of this little dip recovery. We've had rising both shakeout as well as the extreme histograms. You can see that continual elevation. We moved to positive. It's got to stay there, but that should result in a breakout. If it doesn't result in a breakout at this particular point, then you have to be concerned that this is not going to happen today. It's sort of been the case. It seems like the spigot just opens up. Looks like inventories are improving, then they get drawn back down and going nowhere. And gold, nice steady climb off of our 2 buy signals. We dipped down here with the orange net going below, and have come up, now reached positive shakeout. So that's going to break out this range right here above that 118 range. Otherwise, it's just going to roll back over into the same situation. And again, that's just because there's no real inflation threat, so to speak. From the day standpoint, we have a little brief dip, and then we had a nice little decline right there. We got oversold. First little buy, was okay, but then you ended up with a quick sell, and then you ended up with the same configuration down here at the bottom. Only this time, you notice you didn't see your steel cross below the cyan for the sell. That took place over here when we went into the sideways mode, and then we continued right back on the same path of it once it went back down again. So it's always worth noting, because you can see the difference between those two. The first one coming up there, and then boom, crossing right before it broke down, and then the second buy signal coming in right there, and then this time unable to dip below, and that led to continuation following a BABM as well. So worth noting. As always, continue to look for me on the Skype chat. I should be around most of the day, so I think we'll put up some charts and examine a few other additional setups. As always, trade well.